Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function to count and display the vowels of a given text. So given a text as input to a Python program, so your task is to count the number of vowels present in this particular text and also display the vowels that are present in the given text. So you have to, that is, perform two tasks. That is, first is count the number of vowels, also display the vowels that are present in the given text, and this you have to perform using the Python function. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me define a function, that is def, that is count underscore vowels underscore display. So this is my function name and I have to pass a input string, that is text. So let's take a text variable as input argument to the Python function. So once we are done defining the function, so we have to also take a, that is a string containing the vowels. So let's take a string containing the vowels, that is a, E, I, O, U, and also we have A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels that are present in the English alphabet. So I'll be comparing the each and every vowel with the given text. And once we are done getting the input arguments, so let's take two variables to store the count as well as to store the string in order to display the vowel. That is, let's take vowels underscore count and initialize it to 0 because this is the integer variable. And now let's take another variable, vowels underscore present. So this is a string variable, so let's initialize it to an empty string. So once we are done getting input and output, so we need to process the given string, that is a text. So let's try to iterate all the letters present in the given text. That is, let's take a for loop for letter in the given text. So what you do is check if the letter is present in the vowels. So let's again use the if statement to check if the given letter present in the text is present in vowels. So if this statement is true, so you have found the vowel. So let's take a counter variable, that is vowels count, and increment it plus equals to 1. Also we need to add the vowels to the vowels underscore present, that is a string. So let's take a present plus equals to the letter. Yeah, so once the for loop completes, so we'll be having count and the vowels present in this particular text will be stored in these two variables. So let's use a print function to print them, that is count of vowels is, let's give colon, and let's try to print the text. Sorry, here it is vowels underscore count, and also we need to display the vowels present in the given text. So let's take another print function, and here let's take vowels present in text is, sorry, present in text is, let's give colon, and yeah, so let's try to print the vowels underscore present, that is a string. So this is vowels underscore present. Yeah, so this is a complete Python function to count and display the vowels of a given text. So in the main program, so let's take a variable and ask a user to enter a text. So let's take string and equals to, so let's use input function call, and here let's say enter a text. Yeah, so this is a prompt for the user, and once the user enters a text, so it will be stored in this variable. So now what we'll do is we'll directly call the function, that is vowels underscore count underscore display, and let's pass the string as input argument, that is a text. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the Python function to count and display the vowels of a given text. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So here, so you can see enter a text. So let me copy this and provide the user input. So you can see the count of vowels is 21, and the vowels present in the text is first is starting with I. So you can see I, E and etc etc. So up to E. It ends with the E. You can see over here this is the E and again the E in the given. Let me close this. So let me re-execute it. So let's give something like Python program. So you can see the count of vowels is 3, that is OOA. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the Python function to count all and also display the vowels of a given text. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.